Storytime with Geeta.
Kabir's World, written by Rubina Kaur Vij. Illustrations by Santhya, Shanbagam are. This book is dedicated in loving memory of Sunita Badguzar, also known as Selitha Auntie, to Kabir. You were gone too soon, but it will be treasured in our heart forever. You were someone with the most patient, teaching and guiding soul, especially for our young and adventurous toddlers. Kabir and I will always remember your phrase, up the ladder, down the slide, and I will especially miss all our special conversations when I would come pick up Kabir. How lucky I am to have something that makes saying goodbye so hard. A. Milne, Winnie the Pooh. Sunita Badguzar. Are you ready? Kabir's World. In a house in USA, a 3-year-old Indian boy plays. Meet Kabir, the boy who can't stay away from fun-filled adventures every day. His room is painted blue. He has a bunk bed and a slide too. The big genie on the wall smiles through. What do you think Kabir will do? There he is, sitting right on top of the slippery slide. Whee! This is fun, he squeals. Look how I glide. His mama's face beams with pride. Oh, my little one, that's quite a ride. There are many things that Kabir likes to do. Climb up furniture, old and new. Careful, Kabir, look at you. How did you climb up the staircase? I haven't a clue. He loves to eat Indian food. Paranthi with butter is indeed good. So are chocolates, ice pops and ice creams in multitude. Kabir would do anything for ice cream. Yes, he would. For fun, Kabir switches on his blue electric car. It plays his favorite music by Sing-Along Stars. Mama, he calls out, it is a dance party, all ours. And together they dance, wiggle, waggle, shimmy, shammy for hours. Kabir loves to talk and talk about things that are plain as chalk. And if it's not, he says, I don't know, and walks, not stopping to talk the talk. Outdoors, Kabir loves his swing more than the circular slides, funny seesaws, or any other thing. Up and down, and then up again, he flies and sings, Yippee-yay! Yippee-yay! I am the king! I can touch the blue sky when I am on the swing. When it is time to go indoors, little Kabir cries, Please, oh please, let me be here. He sighs. Mama offers ice cream, but Kabir shakes his head as the breeze passes by. The swing now rocks gently and sleep snoozes his eyes. Dada carries Kabir inside. The sleepy boy opens his arms wide. Good night, Dada. Good night, Mama. Good night, Slide. Kabir mumbles into his blanket, feeling satisfied. says the bed. Shh, says the slide. Shh, says the genie on the wall. Shh, says Kabir's toys under the bed. Shh, says Kabir's swing outside. Shh, says Kabir's mama. Tomorrow is another day we can rhyme a new adventure. About the author. Rubina is a mother, daughter, sister, a friend who loves children. Rubina is a social worker and works for individuals with mental health, substance abuse, intellectual, developmental disabilities. She has a passion for reading and writing. Every night she and her son read at least 5 books before bed. Rubina wants to share witty stories of her son with other children through her books. She wants children to be able to learn new aspects of life through fun stories that can bring little kids and their families closer. I hope you enjoyed this book. Don't forget, be good for Mommy and Daddy. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Storytime with Gita. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. 1, 2, 3. Read with me. See what's the next book is going to be. Pictures that are work of art, and some books that make you very smart. With words that bounce up off the page, they are good for children of every age. Learn the letters A, B, C, and stories that wow you and me. Grab your books and gather around and listen to Gita read aloud. Sit and enjoy the relaxing tone, and maybe one day you'll write your own. Don't forget to be good for Mommy and Daddy. Obey, respect, and help them daily. Goodbye, goodbye.